Hi, for this lesson, I will give a short overview about adjective clauses. But first, let's review what an adjective is. Adjectives are words that describe a noun. Imagine you need to move to a new apartment. What kind of apartment do you want? A big apartment? A clean apartment? A quiet apartment? Big, clean, and quiet all describe the noun apartment. They are adjectives. An adjective clause is similar to an adjective. It also describes a noun, but it looks different. What kind of apartment do you want? Here is an example. I want to live in an apartment that has a big bathroom. That has a big bathroom is an adjective clause. Or we can think about roommates. What kind of roommate do you want? I want a roommate who likes to cook. A roommate that pays rent on time is also important. Who likes to cook and that pays rent on time are adjective clauses. There are two important points. Number one, in adjective clauses, there are special pronouns that connect the main clause to the adjective clause. Who, whom, which, that, and whose. Number two, adjective clauses also contain a verb. These are important points to remember when making sentences with adjective clauses. You are ready to watch more videos on adjective clauses now. Enjoy!